The pirates used to hang out a lot in Sai Kung. We passed stage 1.
Now we're at stage 2. I think we leveled up.
Ding ding ding. This place looks super promising.
Yeah.
Lots of mozzies, I bet, but it looks really nice. So campsite right there. The end looks extremely bushy.
But that had the grassland.
Yeah, the grassland looks pretty bushy.
You guys are vulnerable. Good.
Super nice. This is amazing.
Oh, yeah, so pretty.
Some sort of shamanism ritual going on over there. This is where we're gonna spend the evening. Oh, I'm so buggered. Beer would be so good. This is another one of the Japanese canned foods. Cute. Wow.
히, 큰 피스를.
와, 혼자 먹으니까 맛있지? It's actually really good.
고추장 맛.
어머나.
맛있지?
Wow, Japan canned food game is pretty good.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Umakara. Uma means good. Kara means spicy.
Wow.
또 먹어. I might eat 2 rice tonight. I might eat everything tonight. I'll just leave the foods for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, might as well. Oh, we got the curry.
3 curry.
Wait, do we heat the curry? How do we eat the curry?
This thing, I don't think there's nothing you can do, I think.
You just eat it. Green Thai curry. And some butter chicken. Got rice and mega curry. Okay, let's eat now. Yeah, I'll boil some water. Let's do it. The water is boiling.
밥 2개 먹을 거야, 오늘. 2개.
That's right. 2 rice, 2 curries, 4 curries.
Butter chicken curry.
Butter chicken curry.
치킨 또 Thai curry.
Green chicken curry. Oh! Green curry! Ooh, what's in it?
I'm not sure.
It's
green
pretty
curry.
basic.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's a chicken. Well, that's oily. Looks yummy.
어떡해, it's all oily. It's worse, I guess.
Yeah. Careful of your hands. Whoa. Well, that looks good, to be honest.
먹자.
Alright.
Oh, this is good. I just had it.
By the way,
Oh,
is it good?
it's good. 맛있다.
No, it's good. Oh. That looks good. 고추참치나. Don't want it.
Green. I love green curry. 맛있죠?
Wow. What the heck?
맛있다. 어?
So situations changed dramatically in the last 15 minutes. So we didn't have this rain cover on the tent because we thought the tarp could handle it. Thought the rain wouldn't be that bad, but it started hammering down. So we had to put this up real quick. Put down our tarp, block the wind. It's raining too. It's been raining for like 3 hours straight. I've been reduced to like a little mosquito. So much lightning outside.
Ah!
Whoa, what's up?
So big insect.
Inside? What? Which insect?
Oh no, I can't find it.
Is the door closed?
No.
Alright. Do you want the red lamp? It's so scary when the wind blows.
Here's my headlamp.
Way too noisy. This is sure a lot of people are having issues with their tents. Yeah, I think we're good now. But is there a typhoon? Finally sunrise, or after sunrise. It's so hard to sleep. It's so windy. So much wind. Feels like the tent's gonna break at any moment. That was since 8 o'clock last night, non-stop. And I know these other people were having trouble, so I'm just gonna go for a walk and suss out what's happening. So just spoke to the guy over there. Both of their tents had a frame snap.
and they had to put the tarp down, or the chairs got busted. The rubbish flew everywhere. Oh my gosh, it was so intense last night. Kind of sick of it, want to go home now, is what I felt during the evening. But I feel pretty fresh now. We'll see how Seika is feeling.